1950 the Indian constitution was not adopted the secularism word, okay, but later 1976 that period only the word secular was incorporated in the preamble through the 42nd amendment of the Indian constitution. 42nd amendment Indian act padi 42nd act padi and the amendment la enna pannirukanga, they are adopted the Indian constitution. The period is 1976, okay. And the India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. The basic aim of our constitution is to promote unity and integrity of the nation along with the individual dignity. Okay. So in our India have four concepts, that is sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Sorry, five concepts. So these five basic aim of our constitution is to promote unity and integrity. So these five is promote. The five என்ன பண்ணுது, promote பண்ணுது. அதாவது எதை promote பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா unity and integrity of the nation along with the individual dignity. ஒவ்வொரு individual persons உள்ள dignity. Dignity is the word that this word is also you are studied in the lower classes, okay. So individual dignity, it will be promote. These five concepts will be promote the individual dignity, okay. Is that clear for you students? And then there is no state religion in India, okay. So India la இந்த ஒரு ரிலிஜனையும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்றாங்க. இட் மீன்ஸ் உங்களோட இருக்கட்டும், அதை வந்து வெளியில் கொண்டுட்டு வந்து திரிக்கக்கூடாது, நீங்கள் இதை பண்ணணும், நீங்கள் இதை பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது அப்படின்றாங்க. The state will neither establish a religion of its own nor confer any special patronage upon any particular religion, okay. The freedom of religion guaranteed under the Indian constitution is not confined to its citizen along but extend to their alliance also. So எல்லாருக்கும் freedom இருக்கு, okay. All the people have the freedom to feel the religious, okay, and feel the religious and use the religious and whatever it may be. எப்படி வேணாலும் ரிலீஜியஸை ஃபீல் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் அதை வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறதுக்கும் we have the freedom, okay. So we have the freedom to follow the all religious, okay. So no need to follow the particular religious. So we have the freedom of religious in our India, okay. Is that clear for you students? So today class is over. So go through all the points, okay students. Thank you.